Grace and peace, everybody. Welcome back to Faceovermatter. It is your girl Jay here. In today's video, we are doing a highly requested Flexi rod set. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair, and now we're using the Mizani moisturizing spray. This is the 25 Miracle Milk Spray. Y'all, you've got to try it if you haven't already. It's super moisturizing for my hair. You guys know I had a silk press a couple weeks back as well, and ever since then my curls have been stretched, but my detangling process has been cut in half, and I'm not even mad at it. So enjoy the music. We're going to detangle, and then we're going to blow dry our hair. It doesn't have to be fully blow dried if you don't want it to be, but I just wanted to make sure my hair was dry the next day. So I'm going to completely dry my hair, and then we'll get into the styling. Alright, now that the hair is completely blow dry, we're going to go ahead and start sectioning off the hair. It does not have to be perfect. That is honestly why I like doing flexi rod sets, because it does not have to be perfect whatsoever. So I'm using the TGIN Rose Water Styling Mousse, and you guys, I absolutely love this mousse. I picked it up randomly one day just by shopping for like other hair products, and I hadn't really used it before. But y'all, I tried it one day on one of my first flexi rod sets, and I've never looked back. So I absolutely love this mousse. You gotta try it. Super moisturizing. The hair is so shiny and soft once the hair is dry, as you guys will see later on in the video. But yeah, so I'm taking these smaller flexi rod sets for the back. You'll see me switch out between the blue and the pink that I'm using here as well. And I like to do the tucking method. You can twist it however you feel that you want to do it. It's just a little easier for me. It takes a little bit longer, but it's just easier for me just to tuck it underneath the hair and then wrap it around. So for my sections, I always do one in the back, one in the middle, and then we finish off at the top. So once again, put it underneath the hair, wrap it around. And again, this allows me to make the flexi rod really tight. So that way it's not getting loose, things aren't coming undone as I sleep. It keeps it very tight, tucked, and hopefully beautiful on the takedown. So unfortunately, I ended up running out of the TGIN one. So this one is by Camille Rose Naturals, and this is their honey. Y'all know I love the honey hydrate. This is their styling mousse mixed in like the honey hydrate. I only used it for I think like the first 3 pieces in the front. So hopefully it doesn't throw it off at all. But this is the final result. I'm going to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it is the next morning rather, and it is time for the takedown. So honestly, I'm just unraveling them. This part is pretty simple. Usually I'll add some oil to like my hands or something just for some extra shine. I didn't have it in the bathroom with me at the time, and I was honestly too lazy to go get it. But you can definitely add some oil sheen or some hairspray or something to your hands. So as you take them down, it's gonna give them extra shine, extra softness, whatever it is that you're looking for. So this part is pretty simple. Just take them down, and then we're gonna separate. So now that we've taken them down, now let's separate. So separating is just for us to hide those parts that we made, to give our hair bounce and volume, and just honestly not have the hairs clumped together as they were in the flexi rods. This step is really important. I really try to take my time doing this just so I don't have too much frizz. I'm a person who does not mind frizz whatsoever. Like, my hair can get frizzy. Honestly, the frizzier, the better sometimes, especially with my wash and goes. The oil on your hands would definitely help with the frizzing as well. So if you have trouble with frizzing up your hair or you don't like it, I definitely recommend using some oil. But this is the style how I would wear it, you know, just straight out of the flexi rods, puffed out, volume, popping, all of that. So let's get into the go-to style that I've been obsessed with here lately. It is literally just a puff pineapple situation, but with a bang. towards the front. So I'm literally just taking my bristle brush, and I'm brushing my hair upward. You're gonna see me pull towards the middle. Honestly, that's just gonna help get all of the hair in the bow. Just trying to pull all the hair together from the outside. The bun or the ponytail was looking a little funny, so I pull from the middle, just that way all of that hair is in the hair tie once it's time to tie it up. So I'm adding a little bit of Eco Styler gel just to really get my hair slicked down so I don't have any frizzies, all of that good stuff. Here I am pulling up the middle as said before, and then I'm going to pull the outside portion of the hair and brush it up. That way everything gets in the hair tie and it's nice and snatched. This is an easy go-to style if you want like a snatched hairstyle, because you know how you get that instant facelift when you get like braids or something. This reminds me of that. It's like an instant facelift when you have this style, because it just snatches up. And then honestly, you just leave as much hair as you want out in the front. I usually leave all of the front and then maybe like a little bit towards the middle. It just makes the bang look a little bit more full, and it blends in with the ponytail, so that way you don't see any separation from the ponytail from the bang. And of course, I'm doing my sideburns. I have a lot of those, so I'm doing my sideburns, my baby hairs, edges, all of that, just for some extra razzle dazzle. And this is pretty much the style. Like after you get the Flexi rod set going, this is pretty easy, and the ponytail is going to get bigger as the days go on, and everything else is just going to come together. So the ponytail is a little small right now, but that is okay. This is the style, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next time.